Hi, Mark here with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the goCoax MoCA 2.5 adapter. I've actually got two of these. These can be used to push networking connectivity over coaxial cabling in your home. You might already have such cabling if you have a TV aerial on your roof going down to connection points in your home for the reception of terrestrial television broadcasts. These adapters allow you to push networking over that same cabling without disrupting the terrestrial TV broadcasts. There are a few prerequisites for this. If there is any splitters that are used in your cabling, you'll need to make sure that those splitters don't also filter out the frequency ranges that the MoCA adapters use, and if they do, you might need to replace them with ones that are MoCA compatible. But assuming that you get that sorted, or if it's not already a problem at the moment, then you should be able to use these. The latest MoCA standard, MoCA 3, allows you to push up to 10 gigabits per second over coaxial cabling, which is pretty impressive. There's not actually any adapters out yet with the MoCA 3 standard, but there's plenty of MoCA 2.5 adapters, and they will do 2.5 gigabits per second. So let's take a look at what we get in the box. Fairly plain packaging. Have a look inside. Cardboard, which is nice. We've got a quick start guide here for the adapter, so just a few bits and pieces of information and an outline of the product. And then we've got the product itself. Let's try and lift this out here. There it is in the packaging. Let's take it out of that. It's sort of glued down in the bag here. We'll take that out. So let's take a look. There is the product itself. We've got a little setup button on there and a few indicator lights. Then on the side we've got the network port. That's actually a 2.5 gig port and the power input. And then on the other side we've got our coaxial connection point. On the back we've got some secure places here to sort of hook this onto screws if you need to. Let's pop that down there for a moment and have a look at what else we get in the box. Lift up the cardboard here, there we go. So let's see now. We've got our coax cable. They give you one of those in the box. We've got our power adapter. Let's just take this out and have a look at that. So there we go, that's a UK power adapter in the box as well. We've got a network cable. Nice cable there available for us. Let's just take the coax cable out of the bag as well, and might as well have a look at that. So we've got a coax cable there. That's, not sure how well that's going to come across on the camera. That's an F connector to F connector coaxial cable. And in the box here we have, a changer. So what you will often find with these MoCA adapters when I was looking around them online is that they have the F connector style screw-on coax connector here. Now that's actually sometimes referred to as a satellite connector, but in the UK what you will tend to find in UK homes is a Belling-Lee connector, is technically the name for those connectors that you find on the wall for coax connections in UK homes. So you need a different cable or you need an adapter. So they're giving you an adapter in the box here, so one end of this is going to go onto the box, and then on the other end you can screw that on, and then you're going to have something that you can actually push into the wall. Alternatively, I didn't actually realize there was going to be one of these in the box, you can get some cables online that are Belling-Lee to F connector. These are sometimes referred to, and you'll probably have better results if you search for TV aerial to satellite cable, because it's just more commonly known in that way. So I've got two of these, got another one here, because obviously you need more than one. You need one at one end of the cable, and then you can put as many of these in as you want, up to 16, I believe. So you can have lots of these connected in, and the point being that you could plug a device directly in if you wished, or you could plug a switch in and then have multiple devices and then push your networking over that. These are also useful if you want to have a wired backhaul for multiple wireless access points in your home, if you're trying to get better coverage, but you want to make sure you have a decent connection back down to your primary router. So all sorts of potential uses for these things. They're not very common in the UK market for some reason, even though plenty of homes do have coax cabling in them. So I'll be keen to give this a go. I've got a connection point down in my living room and then one upstairs in my bedroom, but they all go up through the attic space, so I might actually route the cabling down somewhere else, but I'll take a look at what the options are available there. But in the meantime, this is what we get in the box. I think this has been repackaged for the UK market, hence why the outer box is unbranded. But nevertheless, we've got the goCoax adapter itself, 2.5 gigabits per second. We've got our coax cable, we've got our network cable, power adapter, and then we've got the adapter to go from F connector to Bellingly in the box. That's what we get there, and hopefully at some point I'll do a review of how well this works, but I'm fairly optimistic having seen some other videos of people getting pretty decent speeds, far better than what you might get from something like Powerline, so keen to give this a go. Thanks for watching.